Today is a fun video. I'm going to do a complete face of makeup. You want to see what I'm creating? It's not your regular everyday makeup. It is something completely different. Keep watching. I'm using the Juvia's Place Pressed Powder Foundation and the shade name is Zaria. I'm taking one of the sponge and I'm going to use it all over my face. Like I tell you, it's a different kind of look today. So keep watching. This is going to be good. I'm going to get creative and create something different. Press powder foundation everywhere. I've hit pan if you can see it. So I'm scraping the sides. Watch all the video all the way to the end to see how this takes shape. Now the foundation is on, powder foundation. I'm just going to buff a little to make sure excess is out. Now that the pressed powder foundation is on, I'm going to use a matte, rich, golden skin finish bronzer by MAC. And again, I've hit pan on it. It's also in my panning project. I'm using a wedge and I'm going to just put it around the perimeters of my face. Now that I have that on, I am going to use the burnt orange from the Zulu palette by Juvia's Place. This is what it looks like. And the shade I'm going to use for now is this one right here. I'm also going to put that on my face. That's why I say keep watching. It's a process. I'm being creative. I'm going to create something and we'll see what it looks like in the end. So this goes in front of the bronzer because I'm creating layers. And I'm using sponge to do that. Because when I'm done with this, sponge is going in the trash. Because there'll be too many brushes and the brushes will take much longer. So just consider me a painter. Now I have that, I'm going to just blend again with a big fluffy powder brush. I'm trying to make sure all the layers I'm putting on mesh with each other. This is something to have fun with. If you want to have fun, this is fun. You see? Okay, next. I'm laughing because this is so much fun. Next, I'm going into the Magic Mini by Juvia's Place. And I'm going into this orange right here. You see this orange? I just need a little bit of it. Again, sponge wedges or just sponge. And I'm looking into the mirror, so I'm not looking straight at you, but I am creating layers. Just layers. This is so much fun. I love creating stuff. My Lord, my God. I just love it. I am so thankful He blessed me with a mind that comes up with stuff. And this just came up to me this morning. I was like, oh, this morning I have to film. And I'm like, okay. So I'm in the shower and the idea just came to me and I was like, okay, I'll do it. I will do it. I love doing stuff like that. So now I did that. Again, always, fluff, brush. I won't show you all the brushing. After this brushing, I'm not going to show you any more brushing. I'm just going to do stuff. Next, in the Afro Galactic palette by Juvia's Place. I just love this palette. There is a brighter orange in here. I'm going to use that. And I am going to put it right here. Are you starting to see the layers? What I'm talking about? See how the layers are coming together? Can you see the layers? The layers are coming together. Different types of orange. And then the bronzer and the powder brown on the edges of the face. There is a bright orange in the Zulu palette. I'm going to use that. And I'm going to go right over here. Can you see it? This is looking so good. I love it. I love it. I love it. I just based my eyes and now I'm going to use the Beauty Below by Blend the Bunny. I love this palette. I'm going to go into the black and I'm going to do my eyes. After I lay it down, I will blend it. I'm just laying it down with my fingers. I have a brush and I'm going to blend that color. I'll add more and then blend. To this look. I felt so creative this morning. While I'm in the shower, the idea came to me. I was like, okay, I'll just create this for Halloween. I had nothing planned for Halloween, but this came to me this morning in the shower. So this is the look I created. The inspiration came. I create. I delivered. I did a little half spider web on this side and on this side. So the beginning of the spider web, the end of the spider web. But that's what's there. I just create the brow to go all the way across. I hope you saw that. And I just tied my hair as usual. And I have like a little spider head wrap I had a long time ago. I just saw this and I love this and I bought this. It's just a piece of material, but I love using it as head wrap. I use it any time of year. It does not have to be Halloween season, but this is the look I created. And Let me know what you think in the comments. This is just so pretty. I did not blend my lip right here, just leave it there like little blood splatter. Again, the creation came to my mind this morning in the shower, and here I am now creating it for you. Today's item, we still have an item. So today's item says, I release all blame and turn within to seek the truth. I release all blame and turn within to seek the truth. Because everything, every single thing we need to know, it's within us, because our body will tell us what's wrong. If we have a headache, our body's telling us something. If our joints hurt, our body's telling us something. If our stomach hurt, our body's trying to tell us something. If we want to know the truth about us and what is going on, we have to seek within. I love you all very much. I don't know if I have lipstick on my teeth, but either way, it's okay. I had so much fun creating this, and I showed you all the palettes and the colors that I used along the way, and the rest is this. Thank you all again for watching. I appreciate you always. Please remember to hype this video, give me a thumbs up, share this video, have a laugh. This is my creation. If you want to see something else, let me know. I will try and deliver to you. But for now, until I see you and you see me, I love you. I love you. Bye.